Hello. I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch my neuropathy workshop today. But first, I would like you to hear from some of the patients that we've helped at our centers and hear some of their success stories and how they've dealt with neuropathy. After that, I'll come back and we'll go over some neuropathy and we'll talk about some of the causes of neuropathy and what can be done about it and why you could be suffering from neuropathy and what we can do together to help you be like these patients.
Hello, my name is Edie Stafford. My original problem was I had neuropathy in both feet that affected my whole life in the sense that I couldn't walk at all. At days when I had to do something, I couldn't do it because I had to sit down and put my feet up. I just couldn't walk. So it was also very painful. There were nights that I was sitting in my recliner because I had shooting pain every few seconds going through my whole left leg especially.
My name is Richard Larson. My original problems had to do with an accident that I had with my feet about 2.5 years ago. I had hairline fractures in most of my toes, both ankles were sprained, bottoms of the feet were in serious pain. It took me about several months to get over the pain, but I still had problems walking. I had pain when I walked, even with Dr. Scholl inserts in my shoes. I had pain when I walked until I came to the Wellness Institute. It affected my life very severely because I really couldn't exercise. I live in the Santa Monica Mountains, and I was hiking the Santa Monica Mountains. All of a sudden I couldn't do that anymore. So my exercise was cut way back. I gained a little weight around my tummy, and that was not fun. What was it like at the worst? I happened to be in London. It was cold, and I had been walking in street shoes, and at the end of the day I could not walk, period. I had to sit in the bathtub, warm up my feet, try to get some circulation back, and I did that for several days, and then I was able to walk again. But for a while I wasn't able to walk at all. Everything has changed since I've been at the Wellness Institute. Through vibrations, through massages, through I think it's electromagnetic impulses. I now can walk on my hardwood floors in my bare feet with no pain whatsoever. Walk around the pool. I'm back hiking in the mountains again. It's absolutely terrific. It was about twice a week, a little more than an hour, twice a week for 6 months, and I'm completely cured. It's absolutely terrific. Dr. Haas has been absolutely wonderful. He takes the time with me and with everybody else, works his butt off. The staff is friendly. There's good music. It's a nice place to be. It's a terrific experience.
And so we set up an appointment, and I came in and we talked, and his feelings were that he really could help me. So here I started my therapy, and actually and it sounds crazy, but from the first day on that I had the treatment, when I came home I said to my husband, my feet somehow don't burn today, and it leads me to believe that the therapy is really helping my feet. Now I'm up to walking with my husband, my dog, which is actually hiking. We're living in a mountain, up to 3 miles a day, which is something unheard of. At least 2 years ago I couldn't even go to the post office, if you will. And my whole life has changed to the fact that I'm mobile again. The staff here in the Wellness Center is absolutely outstanding. They are very happy, very nice, very helpful, and I'm actually looking forward for Wednesday morning to come down here. And I come down from the mountain, which is an hour-and-a-half drive, but it's worth the time to come down here, and it's worth every penny that it costs.